After you've installed SetupVPN in your browser, you'll see the welcome screen here, which means you're set to go. From here, just click on the icon in your browser, choose your language, and create an account. Check the boxes and click register, and you'll be given a unique auth code to log into your account. Since we don't collect any personal information, if you log out and don't know your auth code to log back in, we'll have no way of tracking who you are and restoring it. So be sure to copy this code and save it somewhere safe in case you need it later. Now let's start. You have several locations to choose from if you have a free account. And with Premium, you can unlock more features and have access to many more locations. And with the Residential tab, you can use IP addresses that are hosted on genuine home computers, as opposed to general servers. And if you ever want to sign out of SetupVPN, just come here and use your saved auth code to log back in.